how to fix the network is not working on your MacBook. So if you're having any kind of Wi-Fi issues where it's not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So first thing you need to do is click on the Wi-Fi symbol in the top right hand side, and then just press Wi-Fi settings. Now go and click on details next to your Wi-Fi connection and then select proxies. Now make sure you don't have any proxies turned on. So as you can see, mine are already disabled, and then you can press DNS from the left hand side. Now go and click on your DNS server and click on the plus icon. You then need to type in 8.8.8.8 and then go and click off this window. Now click the plus icon once again and type in 8.8.4.4. Once you've done this, press OK, and you can check to see if your Wi-Fi is now working. If you're still having an issue, then click on details once again and press forget this network and go and press remove. Now once you've removed the Wi-Fi network, you will need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi, and sometimes that also solves the issue. Now if your Wi-Fi is still not working, hold down the Option key on your keyboard, and while holding this button down, click on the Wi-Fi symbol. Now select Open Wireless Diagnostics and go through the steps to try and diagnose any issues with your Wi-Fi. Now you'll also need to make sure you're not connected to any VPNs, as this can be another reason your Wi-Fi is not working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.